I pay a lot of attention to analytics now. Up until that first video took off, I really didn't. I didn't dive into them and figure out anything. You got to get them to click and you got to get them to watch. That's the two main drivers of the YouTube algorithm, as far as I could tell, and from what I've learned. You got to get them to click. You got to get them to watch. I'm terrible at thumbnails. I hate doing them. I would stress so bad over doing them. I've actually hired somebody else to do them now. That's why they look different. I'm not doing them anymore. I took that out of my hands, and I'm stress-free on that part. And the click-through rate has gone through the roof since they've been doing them, because they know what they're doing. And so I got rid of that part. But I would pay attention to click-through rate and watch time. And then once you get those down and you can kind of see improvement, now your click-through rate, especially if you got a bunch of videos as far as overall on your channel, it's not going to just jump through the roof overnight. If it changes a point or 2-3% over a few weeks, you're kind of moving in the right direction. Just keep moving that way. If it starts going down, then kind of change up your thumbnail strategy and figure out. And I watched a ton of videos on thumbnails. I just could never get them right. It's something I can't do.
Thumbnails are tough. I got to tell you, whenever I start with a thumbnail and I'm taking the picture for it, I have this image in my head that is awe-inspiring. But when it converts to the actual thumbnail,
yep,
it's a moose. It's not attractive at all. So
it's tough.
I get that. I also get some folks, and I've been guilty at times myself, get into analysis paralysis, where you're staring at your statistics too much instead of doing something.
Right.
Releasing a mediocre video is better than not releasing a video because you're staring at your stats from a video you released 2 weeks ago.
That's right. That's good advice.